Hello, this is your boy Nathan here, you're watching Robot Masters. Okay, so it's a very exciting day here because it's like Christmas for me. I get to unbox 2 cool robots sent by iRobot for absolutely free. Thank you iRobot, you're awesome. Basically, I get these products for free and in exchange I'll do a review. But here at Robot Masters, I do more than just one review. I do follow-up reviews, I do all this crazy testing I usually do. So I'll keep my opinions and biases aside. I'll let you guys know if these guys are worth your time or money, or if you should just toss them in the trash. Alright, let's go ahead and get to the cool unboxing. Which one should I start out with first? Should I do the 960 or the E5? These guys unbox at the same time, so you guys can see double trouble at the exact same time. Alright, I got my trusty box cutter. Actually, this is probably a spatula, but don't tell anyone, alright? Let's see, how are we gonna start? Maybe let's start jamming at it? There we go, it's cutting. Yeah, this is super easy, guys. You know, I don't need a box cutter, I just use some odd wooden object. You know why I like this, guys? Because look at this edge, it's super blunt, I can't cut myself. Okay, here we go. We got the first one. Let's get the other guy here. Okay, so I've been looking out. I do have a gym at my job there, so maybe my extra muscles is helping out this time. Because last time I did unboxing, I was struggling. Okay, here we go. Maybe just flip these guys over. Yeah, let's try that. I'm pretty sure this is exactly how professionals unbox their boxes. I'll just pop the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What do you guys think? Oh no, they're upside down. I think I need to return them. Actually, hold on. There you go, folks. The 960 and the E5. Can you guys tell the difference? It looks like this guy has a little window here for the iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, and this guy uses the iAdapt 1.0. Alright, I'll go ahead and turn the boxes around so you guys can see the differences. And feel free to stop the video at any time. Okay, so one thing I would like to show you here is you can see that the boxes are slightly different, but they both have the dual extractor design, they both have their signature side brush, the wheel caster, the charging contacts, the dustbin. They both support Wi-Fi, and you can see how these guys work. Very, very nice presentation on the boxes. Alright, let's just get these guys opened. Okay, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, they're so shiny. Ooh, never seen something so shiny in my life. You guys can see this? We got the Roomba E5, which I like. It has a cool kind of black glossy color. And this is more of a, what is this? Metallic gray. Very nice on both of them. Give you guys a quick look at the robot. E5. See the underneath there? Here's the, actually this one has a handle. I think they both have handles. See that, guys? And this is the 960. And it even comes with the built-in mopping attachment. I'm just kidding, guys. This is just the wrap. Alright, looks like they both got the signature roller design. They got the dual wheels, the caster, the signature side brush, the whole shebang. We'll get these guys out of here. Next thing we have a charging. We also have a charging cradle for the Roomba E5. Your instruction manuals. Very nice. Show you the booklet here. Tells you everything about the robot. So you guys should read this. Alright. Looks like we got the accessory box here. Comes with a power cable. That's it. Alright, let's see. So, for the 960, we got another nice booklet here. We have a charging cradle, which is very similar to what the E5 has. So I will do a comparison of all my Roomba robot vacuums, but before we get to that, I'm just going to give you a quick look at what's in the box. You got your robot, you got your charger, also each one has its own removable power cord, and for the E5 it just comes with the actual power cord. Now the Roomba 960 has a little accessory box. You get a little lighthouse which takes 2 AA batteries. Great thing about the lighthouse is you can either do a halo or a straight line across to keep the robot out. Some robots use like a magnetic boundary strip, but the lighthouse is a nice convenient feature since it's mobile. You can put it in different rooms or areas. Also, you got your power adapter as well, and you have a remote control. Actually, no, this is called a filter. Yeah, remote control is the one for the buttons. Oh, I'm so silly. Yes, it comes with an extra filter and extra side brush. Okay, let's go ahead and do a comparison of the other robot vacuums I have. Hold on 1 second. Here's my Roomba family, minus the mopping robots. Okay, I have the Roomba S9, the Roomba i7, the Roomba 960, and the Roomba E5. So just from looking at it, they have some signature features that they all share across each other. They have these little icon sensors. What this does is it helps these robots go back to the chargers. Also, they work with the lighthouses, so that's a very cool signature feature that you'll find on all the robots. The 3 robots here have a carrying handle like this, and my i7 wants to start cleaning. This guy loves to clean. I wonder why. And then there's the other carrying handle. Now, these guys have a camera system. This is an iAdapt 3.0, iAdapt 3.0 for the S9 and i7, and this uses the iAdapt 2.0 system. So another thing they all share is they have the same button layout. Roombas are known for the giant clean button, which is very easy to start and stop. Also, you got your home button here, your home and spot clean. All 4 robots have that same feature. They also have a removable bin. So for the 960, just push down on the top here, and the bin slides out. For the i7, it's in the back here. There's a button right here. Slides out. S9 has a little bit different design. Instead of taking the bin from the back here, you actually take it from the top. Open up the floppy lid. And the dustbin will just come right out. And lastly, the E5 is the same thing, like the i7. You just push this button here, and the bin comes out. Okay, so before we flip these guys around, I'm just going to show you that they all have a front bumper as well. Basically, all robot vacuums on the market have some kind of physical bump sensor. Alright, let's go ahead and get these guys flipped over, as you guys can see underneath. Let me just give you guys a quick overview of underneath the robots. They all have a side brush off towards the top right of the robot. 3 out of the 4 robots have a optical flow sensor indicated by this hole right here. Basically, this guy uses an iAdapt 2.0. These guys use iAdapt 3.0 navigation. And for the E5, since it's iAdapt 1.0, it's a random navigating robot, it does not have that optical flow sensor. They both have wheel casters for the round robots, 1, 2, and 3. And this guy actually has a color wheel. I think this might be part of the encoder. I don't know. Let me see if I can pop this up real quick. Yes, so you notice that this wheel has a white and black indicator. This is actually for the wheel encoder. It's kind of similar to what the optical flow sensor does on the other robots. Tells the robot if it's moving or not. The thing is, they all have adjustable wheels, and looks like they spring load towards the back of the wheel. They also have charging contacts. The round robots charge up towards the front here, where the charging contacts on the S9 is more towards the center. You may notice another hole. Well, this is the self-emptying bin, so the S9 Plus, the i7 Plus have this hole for the self-emptying feature. And another thing is the S9 has the wheel caster towards the rear here, and the S9 also sits a little bit lower than these guys. Yep, that's about it. They're very similar and they're also very different. Okay, let's have a quick look at the cliff sensors. These basically help the robots to prevent ledges so they don't fall down the stairs. These guys have 6 cliff sensors here. You can see that. On the S9, they're right here, and there's 2 up front. And for the E5, there's only 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very, very nice. Alright, so that was just a quick look at the robots. You can see the similarities, you can see the differences. So if you like this type of video, please smash the like button. Helps me gauge if this video is popular or not. And of course, I'll do a lot of testings with the E5 and the 960. Maybe I'll do a head-to-head challenge so you guys can see the differences. Also, I'll do navigation challenges among the 3 different navigation abilities. We got iAdapt 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. So we have all 3 navigation systems that iRobot offers. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nathan. This is Robot Masters. As you can see, I love robot vacuums, and I like to showcase these guys for you with extreme testings, navigations, lucky charm pickup testings, everything. Okay, so have a great rest of your day. Hope you guys are safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.